The world's smartest animals. Meet the world's smartest animals. They are not just cute, they are intellectual powerhouses. Dolphins, with their advanced communication skills, top the list. They can solve complex problems too. Next, we have elephants. Their excellent memory and empathy put them high on the list. Then there's the clever crows. They make tools, remember faces, and can even hold grudges. Our primate cousin, the orangutans, are adept at using tools and learning new skills. Finally, pigs. Surprised pigs outperform 3-year-old humans in cognition tests.